Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm here with this cute protective hairstyle that you can rock during summer or anytime, and it's so easy to install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. This is how the hair is looking so far. I already did most part of my hair and it was so easy to install. And despite the hair looking so full, it's very lightweight. I can barely feel any weight on my head. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. It's the Marley crochet braiding hair, and I used about 6 of these. So the hair comes already pre-separated, so I'll just take one strand, divide it into 2, and that's how much hair I'll be using for each twist. So this time around I didn't blow dry my hair because I want the texture of my hair to match the texture of the extensions. So now I'll just finger detangle, then I'll go in with the comb just to make sure that I remove any big tangles so that it can be easier for me to section and part my hair. So I'll be making very small sections because I don't want my hair to be very thick for the extensions, and I don't want my hair to be sticking out. Also, I'll be using shine and jam on my hair just to make my hair blend well together. So now I'll start installing the hair. So I'll just take the piece of Marley hair that I just separated. I'll place it on top of my own hair so that I can start creating a braid. Then I'll braid a few times, like 5 times or so, until I see that the hair is well attached so that it doesn't slip. Then after braiding a few times, I'll separate those 3 strands into 2 so that I can start twisting the hair. Then I'll twist all the way down. And whenever your hair starts getting frizzy or when your natural hair starts sticking out, you can apply more shine and jam on the hair and continue twisting, and that's how the hair should look when you're done. I'll show you again how I did it. So I'll take shine and jam and apply it to my hair, then I'll smooth it down. Then I'll take the piece of Marley hair and place it on top of my own hair so that I can start creating a braid. Then I'll braid a few times until the hair is well secured. Then I'll separate those 3 strands into 2. Then I'll start twisting the hair all the way down. And when you're separating your 3 strands into 2, make sure that your own natural hair is in the middle. It will be easier that way to split. And when you're twisting your hair, make sure that you're twisting all the way down till the very end, because with this hair you don't have to dip in hot water or anything and it won't unravel. So you'll continue with the same process again until you're fully done, and that's how I installed these mini twists. So now I'll just section my hair again, then I'll apply some shine and jam, then I'll take the piece of Marley hair and place it on top of that section. Then I'll start creating a braid, and by doing this, by creating a braid, it really makes your style last longer. Like it has been a week and some few days and my hair still looks the same, just like day 1 hair. So that's it. I'm done installing the hair, and that's how the hair looks at the back. It's so full, but it's very lightweight. It's really perfect for any weather. And as I mentioned before, I use like 6 packs of the Marley hair, so I'll link everything in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next one.